You want to hit him with the intro, Chris? No, not really. Nah, he don't know.
What are we saying?
Huh?
What are we saying? Saw, dude.
You got the man himself back here. Got himself a Firebird now. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to License to Sin. We took a week off, so if you missed the video, sorry, but some things came up. But today we're working on Chris's GTO. We're doing solid subframe bushings from Hendrix Engineering. I almost said Hendrix Coupe. But we're going to try to do it without dropping the whole rear subframe. Supposedly, you can do it. We are using a lift. You might be able to do it without a lift. He says thumbs up. I mean, if we can bag a 68 Continental on jack stands, you almost certainly should be able to do this without a lift. So, having said that, we're gonna get started and see what we got to do. He's already at it.
We said let's get to it, right?
Yeah, I did say let's get to it. I just wasn't ready for you to fucking wow already. Got sprayed in the face.
Yeah. It's got that.
I can smell it. Coming in the air tonight. Yeah. It's so weird seeing it not jacked or on the lift in the spots you normally put it.
It's
Yeah.
the first time I've ever used those adapters.
Yeah. Is that the normal lift spot factory
yeah,
or?
it's the factory jack.
Okay. I wasn't sure, so.
Here goes my perfect subframe alignment.
Yeah. There it goes. There goes your perfect. Just real quick so you guys know, if you're gonna do this swap, throw your shit in the freezer the night before. We got all the parts. We moved them in here from the house, but
How'd you put them in there for?
because they got to stay cold, so they shrink.
Oh.
You shrink it so it goes in the subframe easier.
Oh.
See, we're teaching stuff. He was. I was just telling my followers.
Weight needs to be cut off.
What's that?
Oh, you got some kind of weight up here.
Oh, it's probably to keep it from hitting up. Is that a weight or? Yeah. Oh, that's a.
A lot of times manufacturers put extra weight on stuff to cut down on vibration.
Well, it's solid now, so what vibration?
Oh yeah, I mean, there's going to be some vibration. See how bad these ones are. They look fun.
Yeah, they look good. So all you gotta do is...
We're going to have to take a socket or something right here between the bushing and the floorboard, and then I think we're going to either have to hit or jack up right here.
So it pushes it down. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. I don't know if you guys hear that very well. I'm gonna wait for the compressor to turn off. Hey, look at this thing though. This is pretty clean. Interior is mint on this.
And you like the dream catcher?
The dream catcher. My Nana's always had a dream catcher in it. We've always had dream catchers in the whole house, but when I saw that, I was like, period, correct.
What's up with this? With these solid subframe bushings. Yeah. Supposedly you don't have to do it.
We'll find out. All right, so what we're gonna try to do is we got a socket right there laying up against the body.
Are you trying to push it out?
On that, we're gonna jack up on this and hopefully
push
that
out.
bushing will press out on its own.
I'm watching the car, so make sure the car don't lift.
That's fair. It's coming out.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's pushing out pretty easy. It's sitting there moving right now.
Yeah.
I'll just let the weight of the car do its job.
I was trying to track your face. Hold on.
It's ready to pop out. Come on.
It's hey. That is educational.
Ooh, I can shut up.
Well, I wasn't ready for that part, or the socket to come.
Yeah, I wasn't
For some reason, my brain wasn't thinking about it, so.
That went pretty painless. This job may be way easier than I was expecting.
Fuck.
I had to.
Fuck. Okay, well, you guys saw it there, and I don't know if you heard Chris describe, but supposedly, with the solid bushings, you don't have to get the special tool to realign the whole subframe.
Because that can't move.
Because it can't move, and they've made
The tolerances are supposed to be top enough.
yeah, all the tolerances are supposed to be like spot on, so it's like a one and done kind of thing once you get it in there. Did you want to go ahead and put that one in now?
I'm gonna clean the hole up.
Okay. You want to steel wool it or whatever?
I need wire wool.
Why? Yeah. I don't know why it said steel wool, but same thing.
Let's see.
Cool. Well, at least it came out easy. At least it came out easy.
Put a new tube with some badass Lucas greasing it his way.
Oh yeah, not sponsored. Not sponsored by Lucas. Hit us up. Yeah, look at. Ooh, that's cold. Ooh. Take that weight out right now. That backwards? I was just trying to make that hold easier. Be a lot more firmer on the track, that's for sure.
Whenever you stab it, I don't really think you can feel it that much. Like you just woo!
Probably not, but I bet you can feel the difference. Like you won't notice how much it was moving before until now.
And then those BMR subframe things.
Yeah.
You just rid of this plate. And then the BMR bolts up. And then the other bracket rolls through here. It welds onto this and bolts onto this.
Yeah, I ain't catching
It
it.
ties everything together.
Yeah.
Is that what you're gonna put on there? Well, I guess I don't want to spend the $400 right now.
We need the channel to make us money. That's what we need. So
Yes.
buy merch
Shameless plug.
and hit that sub button so we can hit 1,000 subs so we can start monetizing to bring you better content for the channel to buy parts for all the cars. That's what we need. Greatly appreciate it. If you like what you're seeing, like, comment, subscribe. Smash the fucking subscribe button.
Once we get this bushing in, then I gotta pull that out and put my tile on that one before we bolt it.
Gotcha. Sometimes you gotta pull the purse out and hit it. There. Yep.
Yep, you might say.
Okay.
They had a lot of...
All right, same thing. Just put the socket above it. We're gonna put a little.
Camera for a second.
We're gonna put a little juice on it. Not sponsored.
Got it. We have to cover it up so it don't get on the screen.
Yeah. We're not sponsored. No.
TV should get it. Start jacking that boy up in there.
That was weird. Someone has had that off before, though, for sure. With that much Loctite on it.
I mean, the other one had Loctite, but it didn't have that much.
That rubber piece?
Yeah, it just pulls up and up. There you go. And spray it a little bit more. Ooh. Take a whole lot of pressure to it. Oh yeah, I forgot I gotta catch this thing.
Yeah, remember the socket this time.
Oh yeah, the socket tries to attack you. Don't move. Ah, it's gonna break my finger. There it goes. Oh. Doing that bad? Oh, just bling.
You got your, oh yeah, you gotta clean it out.
With the Scotch-Brite. We're not sponsored, by the way.
Yeah. Scotch-Brite, hit us up. Watch there be like one person that works at Scotch-Brite that does like they did a super clean.
Yeah, super clean.
That would be funny as shit.
Not sponsored by Super Clean.
Yeah, I don't know.
Now time for the solid ones to come back out.
Nah, give it a minute. We gotta grease it up still first.
Oh,
And he's still gonna clean that out.
I'm not the person to listen to.
Yeah, that's very true.
What is that?
He goes, all right,
These
time
are
to put
gone,
the
though.
solid one in. I was like, no, we still got to clean it out and grease it up. And he goes, oh, yep, I'm not the person to listen to. All right.
Now it's time for the...
You got your mallet ready?
Oh, no, I'm not there yet.
Oh, we're not there yet.
Hey, put this up. Oh.
This is about as easy as spark plugs on a normal car.
Really cold. Icy hot. Oh, fingers. So nerve-wracking.
That, ladies and gentlemen,
That's how you
is
almost get it
why
right.
we said to freeze it overnight or hours before, because it will make it that much easier. Otherwise, you're going to be pulling the whole damn thing and pressing it in. Alright. Where's the Loctite? Be sure to re-blue Loctite it.
Come on. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah.
They're all just started. They're not in there yet. So.
And now I want to pull that one down.
Yeah.
So we can lock top that one.
Well, It went a whole lot easier even after we said that was easy than expected, because usually you say some shit and then you just fucked your whole day up.
Done.
Custom.
Ka-chow.
Ka-chow. Alright, now what?
Show 'em close-ups.
Oh yeah, let's get close-ups.
Ooh, oh.
Yeah, ooh. Ah.
It's funny looking at all the condensation.
Yeah, from it being in the freezer. Looks good to me.
Alright, it's done. So that's what we're doing today. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Send money.
I wish they heard all of the, I hope it picked up that audio. That was a good outro though. That's probably way better than I could do. That's it, guys. Ooh, I'm upside down on the screen. I don't like that. Appreciate it. He's happy. He's happy. That's probably the easiest install we've done.
Didn't even have to take Subframe out.
Yeah, dude, I took Subframe out. So that's how you do it, guys. We gotta send the video to the company. Show how easy it is. That's gonna do it, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. He said do it for Dale, but that's the wrong channel. So, all right, guys. Appreciate it. Peace.